So if you want to feel the chakras above the crown chakra, you just have to take your attention to the crown chakra. Now listen to this sound. You put your attention on this bell sound, and whenever this sound happens, you just take a fast breath. जोर से श्वास लें और श्वास को इस साउंड से जोड़ने की कोशिश करें. एक बार खींचे श्वास को. Take a fast breath and put all your attention on this sound, which you can hear at the top of your head. So this is the place where the crown chakra is, and above that crown chakra you will feel something. थोड़ी देर के लिए आप जोर से इनहेल एक्सेल करें. For few seconds, let's start inhale exhale. Let's start like when you are inhaling and exhaling, put all your attention on this top of your head. Feel that, and you'll immediately become thoughtless. And make sure your both nostrils are running together. Left or right nostril are going together. अनुभव करके देखें दोनों नॉस्ट्रिल में से सेम लेवल पर आप श्वास को फील कर पाएं. Both nostrils are running together. It's very easy to put your attention on the crown chakra and feel that you are existing above the crown. With every breath, with every bell sound, take your attention to the crown chakra and above. Do it forcefully. एक बार जोर से श्वास को इनहेल करें, राइट, जैसे बेल साउंड हो, जोर से. लेट्स डू दैट. Take a long and deep breath and hold it as long as you can and put all your attention on the crown chakra. You'll feel a beautiful sensation over there, and this sensation will lead you to a state of equilibrium, a state of balance. It's so powerful. It's so powerful. You will feel like as if that crown chakra is sucking your energy upward, and all the lower chakra energy is moving to the crown chakra. If possible, if you can do Mula Bandha, which is closing the NS point, and then you inhale, all the energy of the lower chakra will move forward towards the top. Just do that. Put all the energy upward. पूरी एनर्जी को ऊपर जाने दें और फील करें क्राउन के ऊपर. Slowly, your mind will just become stand still. एकदम ऐसा लगेगा जैसे कोई विचार है ही नहीं. Just become thoughtless.